Telling you, it's such a subtle thing, but it makes such an impact on your makeup. So like when you do your makeup at home, but it never has that wow factor, this is what you should try. I've talked about this tip before. I've definitely shared it, but maybe you're new here, maybe you missed that video. What I'm going to show you is something that as a pro makeup artist, I do all the time, and it really sets the makeup apart. Like what you do at home looks one way, and then when I do it, looks so different, and this is one of the reasons why. I prefer doing this with a brown pencil. This is the Jillian Dempsey. It's rich brown, waterproof, and what you're going to do is fill in this upper corner of your lash lid liner area. So it's kind of going on the inside, but also a little bit on top. I'll zoom you in. We are applying just to this little corner on the upper lid. So here's the eye where we did that little trick. And there's the eye without. It just gives the most subtle glammed up look. Like this eye, you look glam and done. Pretty, but not glam. So try it. Just take a brown pencil and go right in that inner corner, and you'll instantly get that leveled up look.